Hi Lamai. In this video, we are going to talk about how to multiply by decimals. So, as you see, the question is this: how do we solve that and get the answer quickly? Basically, when we multiply by perfect numbers, as example, I would say 120 multiplied by 3. So, easily we can get the answer. Write down like this and get the answer. But in this kind of scenario, we can't apply. We can, but the method will be confused. I'll write down for you. Write it down for you here. It's very hard to get the answer. It will be mistaken. Because of that, we are introducing new method to get the answer quickly. So what we doing, basically we count each numbers which is after decimals. 1, 2, 3. Then 3 decimals. There are 3 decimals. So after that, we can consider this part as 45. What we did, we neglect that decimal and get the perfect number. Here also neglect the decimal and get the perfect number. Then we know how to get this answer. 3 multiplied by 5, 5. 1 here. 4 multiplied by 3, 12 plus 1, 13. 135. Then answer is 135. Not this. This answer is 135. But we want this one. Then what we do, normally the decimal is also always located here. What we doing here, the decimal should be moved to the left 3 point. 1, 2, 3. Then decimal is here. Then answer will be 1, 3, 5. That's the answer. You see, the answer is here. You can get the answer easily. Will you follow the method? You follow the method, you can get the answer quickly and easily. So for today, I hope you get the idea, and we will meet next video. Hope you guys watching my video and follow my channel. Bye.